Hello everyone, we're out on another adventure and this time we'll be showing you some of the most stunning places here in British Columbia. We're going to here at the Bridal first and I feel Mamutato hike for a bit. Oh, the trail is actually really short and family friendly. It's only about 15 minutes of walking from the parking lot to reach the falls. It's an easy hike surrounded by tall trees, and once you get there, you'll be greeted by this stunning view. One of the things we've been looking forward to is flying our brand new drone. We couldn't resist bringing it on this trip, and here's a little sneak peek of the shots we managed to take from our first destination. And our adventure continues. After visiting Bridal Vale Falls, we decided to bring Mamo and Tato to the town of Hope. Hey guys! Dito kami ngayon sa Hope. May gusto makita dito si Tato. This town are full of character and charm. Did you know guys that it's called the carving capital of Canada? Everywhere you go you'll spot these incredible woven sculptures that bring the streets and parks to life, like making every corner worth stopping by and admiring them. Let's continue exploring this town. It's gonna be Mamo and Tato first time here in Hope, and one thing they've been looking forward is to see Rumbo. It's picture time. Of course, we can't miss a family photo with Rumbo. We're all shuffling around trying to find the perfect pose. Oh, piękna.
To jest soba.
Nie, mamu, nie piękna, tutaj piękna.
Na, dziękuję.
So it's time for some food. It's almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon na dito. Kaya we're heading to the restaurant na. Kasi lahat na po ay gutom. Ang ganda ng view. Love it. Okay, anyways, let's keep going.
Thank you. Spicy over there.
Yay! Thank you.
To jest...
Now that our tummies are full, it's time to continue the journey and check out our last destination. We are now about to show you the Othello tunnels, and this place has an amazing story. Over 100 years ago, these tunnels were hand-carved right through the granite mountains to connect the Kettle Valley Railway. Imagine how tough it was to build this in 1900s with very limited tools. Today, it's no longer used for trains, but it has become a beautiful historic site and one of the most visited spots here in Hope. Now it's time to fly our drone again and capture this beautiful nature from above. And that's it for today's adventure. I hope you guys had fun watching, and I can't wait to bring you along again on our next destination.